Welcome to a tutorial on how to search and use knowledge-based articles from a case in Salesforce. Given that solutions will now be replaced with knowledge-based articles within the Salesforce case layout, this tutorial demonstrates how to access KB articles from within a case. Note that links and references to solutions will be phased out once the adoption of knowledge-based articles is complete. To begin, after accepting a case in Salesforce, proceed to the Description Information section of the case and review the case subject and description. This will help to determine the type of article sought after. You will then return to the top of the case window and press the button labeled Find Articles. A new window with potentially related KB articles that have been generated based on the case subject and description details will open. Review the articles returned for relevance to the case. You may press the Preview button to open the article preview window and review the content therein. If an article is not located within the initial results, findings may be refined within the Find Article for Case window by using the search option provided. You may either press Enter or click on the Search button to accept your parameters. Once an article is identified as being relevant to the case at hand and the decision made to send the article to the client, press the Add to Case button to have your selection added to the Case Article section of the case in focus. The button will now change to Remove from Case. Although this option does exist, unless an article is found to have absolutely no relevance to the case, it should not be removed from the case. This will assist us in determining overall content needs and the efficacy of existing articles. The article chosen should then be sent to the client in one of the following manners. Option 1, the Get Link option. This is the preferred method for sending knowledge-based articles to clients. Use of this method directs the client to the Jonas Connect website to review the article in question. This is preferential as it increases the client's interaction with the knowledge-based database, familiarizes them with the Jonas Connect site, and improves the likelihood of them exploring additional content therein. To perform this method, we'll begin by copying the article title, highlighting the title, you right-click and select Copy, and then we'll navigate back to the browser where the case is located. Since we'll be returning to this screen in just a moment, we simply want to minimize the window. Do not press the Back to Case button, as this will cause the current browser to return to the case window itself. This has the potential to create confusion with the process at hand. Once in the case, hover over the Emails link and press the resulting Send an Email button. In order to send an email, we will select a template by pressing the button therein and choosing from the list of templates provided option 9.1, Knowledge-Based Email. This will populate the email with the template content. Locate the sentence which reads Paste article name here to create hyperlink and highlight this verbiage. You then right-click and paste your article title therein. We will now highlight that article title once again, and for purposes of creating a hyperlink, we're going to use the formatting control options up above and select the icon which looks like a chain link. You see it says Insert a Link and opens up a script prompt window. We're going to leave this open and return to our Find Articles browser. Within the Find Articles browser, press the Get Link button. This will open a new window with several URL options. Select the main application URL and press the Copy button. Depending on your browser, you may receive a warning window regarding your clipboard. Press Allow Access and your link is now copied. With the copied link, navigate back to the email in progress and paste the link into the script prompt window. Be sure to highlight and paste the new link over the existing HTTP information in the field. Right-click and select Paste once again. Press the OK button to accept and save your hyperlink. And now you may press the Send button to complete the transmission. This will return you to the case window. You may review your case and see that the article information now exists within your case article section, and the email sent will be shown herein as well. That concludes option 1 in sending an article to a client. We'll now review option 2 by navigating back to the Find Articles window, closing out of the Get Link URL screen. Option 2 is using the Send by Email button. This alternate method is being addressed here simply because it exists. It is not advised that this be used except in extreme circumstances, as this will set an undesired precedent and could diminish the overall value of the growing database. Sending the article via this process will not send an email from the case and does not direct the client to the knowledge base database on Jonas Connect for further exposure. This method will send a PDF of the article only. In order to do this, press Send by Email and a pre-filled window will appear. This will fill with the email address from the case as well as the case number and the article title. You will also see a PDF attachment. Press the Send button and the email is sent. It is important to note the only indicator that the email was sent to the client will be notification on the Find Articles page, which states, "Email was sent successfully." While option 2 may seem like a quick and simple fix, the client will not be directed to the knowledge base database as was previously mentioned and will not be fully immersed in the benefits the knowledge base database brings to their overall Jonas interactions. That concludes our tutorial on the use of knowledge base articles from within Salesforce. Thank you. Please proceed to the quiz section of your course for certification purposes.